Welcome to this tutorial on why use Monday.com tasks. As a project manager or team leader, you are likely looking for ways to streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Monday.com is a powerful tool that can help you achieve these goals. In this guide, we will explore the benefits of using Monday.com tasks and provide practical examples of how to get started. First, let's define what Monday.com tasks are. Tasks are the building blocks of any project, and in Monday.com, they are used to assign work to team members, track progress, and set deadlines. By using Monday.com tasks, you can create a clear and organized workflow that helps your team stay on track. One of the key benefits of using Monday.com tasks is that they allow for seamless collaboration. Team members can comment, assign, and update tasks in real time, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This feature is particularly useful for remote teams or teams that are working on multiple projects simultaneously. Another benefit of Monday.com tasks is that they provide a high level of customization. You can create custom workflows, add specific fields, and set up automated notifications to suit your team's needs. This flexibility makes it easy to adapt Monday.com to your team's unique requirements. To get started with Monday.com tasks, begin by creating a new board. A board is a visual representation of your workflow, and it's where you will create and assign tasks. Next, add columns to your board to represent different stages of your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. Once you have set up your board, you can start creating tasks. Each task should have a clear description, assigned team member, and deadline. You can also add files, tags, and comments to each task to provide additional context. Best practices for using Monday.com tasks include setting clear deadlines, assigning tasks to specific team members, and using custom workflows to automate repetitive tasks. By following these best practices, you can maximize the benefits of using Monday.com tasks and improve your team's productivity. In conclusion, Monday.com tasks are a powerful tool for streamlining your workflow and improving productivity. By using tasks to assign work, track progress, and set deadlines, you can create a clear and organized workflow that helps your team stay on track. With its high level of customization and seamless collaboration features, Monday.com is an ideal solution for teams of all sizes.